Afternoon, people. You wouldn't believe it. I finished it. Okay, just with the scrap stuff, old tin shed pulled apart and remade. So the roof doesn't look the best. But it's waterproof. We'll keep the birds in. Over on the little wheelbarrow, mate. Like, are you blind?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Oh my God, so you are blind. So it's wide on the inside. I put the plastic up. All I need is a bit of wood just to shut the door or something. I need door latch.
Well, do you know how I was and I got 0 crowns? I got 23 crowns.
See, I put the perspex up. Oh, bloody brilliant, done.